Hey everyone, my name is Steve Nelson, and I am the man behind cartoon sound effects.
So, how do you make these cartoon noises?
Good question. So what you gotta do, it's all in one food. So you gotta elongate or curve so that you get a nice 60 and make these weird noises. I'll give you a couple of examples of different sounds I can't give you, like
Wow, that's amazing. That's pretty cool.
I know, thank you.
What are your sound effects used for other than movies and cartoons?
It's a good question, my dear sir. So, yeah, a good thing that my son has to use for is a detective work. So, my homies the police department hit me up, they called me, hey, we need you over here. And so, yeah, I can say, here, I got something I recorded, the roll clip.
Come on, stupid stuff and get out of here.
And one other big thing that Mechanics used for, okay, so I actually started a professional business. People call me and then they ask me, I had this narcissist teenager who refuses to get up in the morning, and I need something to help him out. So what I do, they call me over, and then, well, I made this little compilation of what I do, so I'll just let you watch that. Let's roll a clip.
Does any good come out of your sound effects?
Oh, yeah. Like, this is like a lot of good. There's barely any bad. Okay, like, a lot of good. Okay, so like I go to the recording studio with Boss Man. Just record a thing, get started with it, and then after that, I'm rich man. I'm a rich man. I'm a rich man. You don't know, I get money, $1,000,000 a year. Like I like to see how I'm a stressed guy. Yeah.
Okay. Does any bad come out of your sound effects?
Actually, it does, unfortunately. I can name a couple of times. Oh, the cops. What do they want?
Sir, do you know why I pulled you over?
No, yeah, sure.
Well, sir, you're speeding. So therefore, I'm going to have to write you a ticket.
Oh, okay. My all day that acting out.
He's got a gun.
I can explain.
Alright, maggots, this is the most important conference of your pathetic lives. You have to be positively, absolutely quiet.
Okay. I probably shouldn't say them in this interview, though.
Alright, so that's the end of the interview.
Oh, I love this part. Okay. I'm really good. I've been practicing my whole life. I'm Steve Nelson, and you're watching Disney Channel.
What are you doing?
It's got a Disney Channel, right?
No, it's going on PBS.
Oh. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you all next time. Like it's so in a local car, you got
It's just like, that's
it's not a self-return. The local car, you got elongate the curse. Sorry. close to it. It had racing and shit to make the police department and called me up and bring me up and hit me up there. My homies at the police department hit me up. And then next thing you know, I'm rich, baby, rich!